Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with yet another video. Today's video is quite different. We are going to be installing a glueless wig, a blonde glueless wig on my beautiful yet annoying sister. Guys, this girl has refused to do her cornrows. She does not like to weave her hair, and I have no other option than to do this installation with her hair packed. Guys, this is what I have to deal with, and I do not like to install without cornrows, but yeah, I have no other choice. So I am going to be posting a video shortly with how I place my band, both for glueless and glued wigs, because yeah, I always forget to film this whenever I am filming for my YouTube, but I am going to deem it upon myself to do a video specifically for band placement. So guys, yes, I owe you guys that video, very important. This wig was colored, plucked, and customized by my sister. So my sister happens to be my studio stylist. She's also a stylist, but yeah, today she had to force me to do her hair. And yeah, this is us doing this hair by midnight, and I decided to film it. So yeah guys, I am just going in to do a little bit more plucking to make the hairline look more natural. So when plucking, I do not just pluck the front. I always go in to pluck a little bit, like 1 inch in, not too deep, just a little bit after the hairline. This is one part every client is always scared of when you use hot combs, and they always want to run away. And my sister is the worst at it, guys. In fact, whenever I bring them, I'm like, okay, I'm not going to do your hair any longer since you want to run. So yeah, here we are done using the hot comb, and she's already feeling herself. And here I am going in with my mousse to just like sweep everything back. Cutting your lace, always remember to cut in a zigzag form. Do not cut straight lines, always zigzag. And yeah, you have to be careful when cutting for glueless wigs, because you do not want to cut in such a way that your client cannot easily wear the wig by themselves. So yeah. When blow drying your mousse for glueless, you can blow dry using hot air, but not too hot. And then once it's dry, you take out your band. Here I'm going to tie with my wrap strip because I wanted it tied down while I layer and curl. She wanted her hair layered but not to layer, and here she was like, please, not too much, but allow me layer now so it can look fine. I mean, here I am just going to give it little layers, not too short. And I am going in with my Heat Protect from Love Beauty hair product. Make sure to blast your hairs with heat protectant if you don't know what the color to change, especially colored hairs, because once you put that curling iron on it, guys, it's all over. Yeah, so here I am using my T3 curling iron to give it some nice curls. I was done curling and I needed to fill up some parts on the parting, so I'm using my marker to fill it up and my foundation to line. I decided to apply a little serum. You guys know how blonde hairs are, usually has a lot of flyaways, so yeah, I decided to put just a little serum. You can use any serum of your choice, not too much, just a little. the finished look, guys. How did we do? This is a completely glueless wig. How do you love this look? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to your family and friends. We had to take it out because she was using it for the next day for an event. So this is us taking it out, and yeah, ready to wear. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.